and widespread kept coming to my city. And una sila, different tribe, Ilonggo, Bisaya. And you know what? They requested an audience with me. I was a mayor then. At nung nagkaharap-harap na kami, sabi ko, may I help you? There are about, pati may mga Muslim. Sabi nila, Rod, kawawa yung bayan natin. Kailangan tumakbo ka. Yung atay ko naman, naging enlargement of the liver, apparently thinking that, well, everybody was really sincere in the country's interest. Sabi ko, Adre, wala akong plano niyan. And I do not like the position actually. Magulo pati the problems of this country, the Republic of the Philippines, cannot be solved. It cannot be solved on just a one-term basis. We need somebody who's going to sit there with all the dedication and passion, probity and all, na gusto niyang gumaling ang bayan. Hindi ako yan. I do not have those qualities. And I did not want to acquire them. Pero pagsalita, parang I was just also belittling because they were really after for my neck. Sabi ko, hanap lang kayo ng iba. And even Danny, at yung a portion or the Magdalo, as early as 2 years, pabalik-balik niyan si Paildon. They were looking for somebody to succeed Aquino. And they wanted one who would be a reformist. Sabi ko sa military yan, if they want to reform the government and people, it behoves upon somebody else's. But anyway, this group kept coming back. But several times that maybe during the last 4 visits, I was the one paying for their meals and their billeting sa hotel. And they were dead sure that tatakbo talaga ako. Sinabi ko, Adre, hindi ako gago. Wala akong pera. Tsaka yung partido ko, it's just a local aggregation in Davao. And ito, hawak ko ito. I've been mayor of the city for 23 years. Once upon a time, a congressman and a vice mayor to my daughter. Yung si Sarah, yung sinuntok na yung, binugbog na yung sheriff, yung panahon na yun. Sabi ko, hindi ako interesado at sa matanda na ako. I will only ensure the failure of my term. Hindi ko kaya talaga. And sige sila, so maraming tao magsabi na tumakbo ka, wala namang binibigay. Sabi ko, oo lang, oo. And kasi sa kami dito, Rod, ito may 5 billion kami nakataya. Wala ako natanggap ha. Maniwala kayo, okay lang, hindi, okay rin. Never received a billion na ano. Pinakamalayo ko was I think 200 billion. At grupo yon sa Davao. Marami kasi it was ang ano ko siguro sa palad that most of my yung kababata ko sila Carlos Dominguez III became rich and famous. And yun sila ang nagduodyok. Sabi ko, hindi ko talaga kaya. Sabi niya, gawain mo lang yung ginawa mo dito sa Davao. Ba't alam mo bang ginagawa ko dito? Basta Davao is hitting now a domestic growth rate of about 9, the highest so far. Pero yung may style ako na sarili na hindi ito pwedeng pang-national. Maraming mata eh. Maraming mata. It's not about money. It never has been an issue sa akin ng pera. Patayan. At babae raw. Pabalik-balik, babae. Kaya marinig na naman ako ni Chelsea. I was not joking. You listen to the tip. I was being sarcastic. I said, you behave, all of you guys, because I get to be blamed for anything.